Hello, dear creatives. Welcome to Simswat's online flower tutorials. I am Oluyinka Oduobi of Fascinator by Simswat. Thanks for joining. In this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to make this flower. This flower. Isn't it lovely? Very lovely. And we're going to be making using the ready-made petals or flowers that is already in haberdashery shops. Haberdashery shop is shops that sells fabrics, trimmings, zips, any trimmings. So for those people in Nigeria, you will already you are familiar with this type of flower. But I'm now going to, it's still the same flower that I redesigned into this particular one, which I know you all love it. So I'm going to be showing you how I made this particular one. And what we're going to be needing is tape roll, a wadding. This is called Ever foam. You'll be surprised. I'm going to use crayon and scissors, uh, glue gun. So the tape roll, for the wadding, which I used for the back, I used 3 centimeter, which means 3 by 3 centimeter into a circle. So that was what I used. So what we're first of all going to do is to remove the petals. I'm going to remove remove all the petals. Please always keep the brooch that was used before. Let me show you where I always keep mine. So always keep yours because you're going to need it very soon. You're going to need it for other projects. Now, what we're going to first of all do is using this. What I do is you fold it. This is the right side, this shining side. What I do is you will fold it into 2 equal parts like this. You will use your glue gun slightly and I press like this. Glue gun dries very fast. So you can either use your glue gun, and please, for your safety, you have to always to be very careful because it hurts so much. For those that knows about this glue gun, please be very careful. So just be applying it gradually and be pressing it down. You have to be patient enough and be careful. You have to be very careful when doing this. Of course, like I said, you can either use your you can use either the glue gun or you can use your UHU, whichever one you feel comfortable with. So this is how it looks. The measurement of the Everfoam that I used actually is a ruler length. So if you have a ruler, you can use a ruler length of it. That was the measurement I used. And well, all this depends on you. The length of it is 22. 22. Let's put it here, there again. Okay, 23. I used 23 for the ruler measurement, 23 centimeter. So I'm going to be cutting I'll show you after I've done a bit of cutting. Look at what it means, what I did. But I'll get back after finish cutting all this one. So we're going to cut the whole length of the 23 centimeter. All right.